Happy Information Wednesday, Chalyce McQueen here. Whether you're shopping for a new home, you're replacing your current homeowner's coverage, whatever your scenario may be, I thought it'd be important to give you some tips and tricks straight from a real estate broker, also an insurance agent, of things to look out for when you're shopping for these coverages. So first and foremost, it's important to always do a little early shopping. Never wait till the last second. Number one, it's going to help in your closing process and make sure that you know what you need to bring to the table in terms of your closing costs. But also, a lot of companies will give a discount if you're shopping early for future coverages. A big misconception is everyone's always trying to match their insurance to what the purchase price of the property was and or what the market value is. As you know, your dwelling and land are in essence separate, and as an insurance company, we're not insuring your land. Your land should in essence be instructable. We're only insuring your dwelling, your personal contents, any separate structures. So don't try to match what you believe your market value of your home is, because you're going to in essence overpay for your insurance. When buying a new house, you want to pay close attention to your inspection report and any seller disclosures. The reason being, it is a brand new house to you. You don't have the history there. And as your insurance agent, it's important we have that conversation so I can make sure we have any added endorsements that you may need based on the history of the property. As a rule of thumb, as much as I hate home warranty companies, I have a love and hate relationship with them. I think they're great, and I think they also suck if it's an emergency situation. But whenever you buy a property, you don't know the quirks of that property. So it's important to have some added protection that first year by securing a home warranty. The great thing about home warranties is a lot of times the seller will provide that as a courtesy to the buyer. And if your seller won't provide it, more than likely your agent will on behalf of you guys. So in today's video, I talked about shopping early, paying attention to your inspection reports and seller disclosures, making sure you have a home warranty that first year. But lastly, when it comes to selecting your insurance policy, it's important to pay attention to what you decide your deductible is. I know a lot of people try to keep their deductible low so they have more use of their insurance, but bear in mind, insurance really is meant for catastrophic and large losses. And I know when we have a large loss, the last thing we want to do is pay out of our pocket to an insurance company, but the reality is our deductible does contribute to our premium. I personally carry a $5,000 premium on my home, which has greatly reduced my overall premium. And so it's important to pay attention to those figures. I would recommend not doing deductible less than $1,000, but if you can afford to have a higher deductible, that will help you in the long run. As I always preach, finding the right insurance company means the world of difference, and so does it to have the proper agent. My real estate background and, of course, insurance expertise makes me the ideal candidate to be someone's advocate. So be sure to give me a call at 602-525-5665 or email me at cmcqueen@farmersagent.com. Remember to ask yourself, are you protected? We'll see you all next week.